Have you ever wondered about the friendships between nations? Some are new, some are old, but few are as deep and enduring as the one between India and Russia. It's a story that spans decades, built on trust, mutual respect, and a whole lot of shared interests. From the Cold War era to the digital age of the 21st century, this partnership has not only survived but thrived, adapting to a constantly changing world. So what's the secret sauce behind this special relationship? Let's dive deep into the fascinating bond between the Indian elephant and the Russian bear. Our story begins long before the modern era, but it truly solidified during the Soviet period. India, a newly independent nation, found a reliable and powerful friend in the Soviet Union. This wasn't just about politics. The USSR helped India establish its industrial backbone, funding and providing expertise for massive projects like the Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants. These weren't just factories. They were symbols of a self-reliant India, and Russia was the partner that helped make it happen. This foundation of trust, built on steel and concrete, even after the dissolution of the Soviet Union, the newly formed Russian Federation and India picked up right where they left off, signing the Treaty of Friendship and Cooperation in 1993. It was a clear signal to the world. This friendship was here to stay. Now let's talk about the area that often grabs the headlines: military cooperation. This is arguably the most significant pillar of the India-Russia relationship. For decades, Russia has been India's largest and most dependable supplier of military hardware. Think about the Indian Air Force's workhorse, the Sukhoi Su-30 MKI fighter jets, or the Indian Army's formidable T-90 tanks. These are all Russian-origin platforms that form the core of India's defense capabilities. But it's not just about buying and selling. The relationship has evolved into joint research, development, and production. The BrahMos cruise missile is a shining example. It's a joint venture between India's DRDO and Russia's NPO Mashinostroyenie. And it's one of the fastest and most lethal cruise missiles in the world. This level of co-development is rare and shows an incredible amount of trust. It's a partnership where technology isn't just transferred. The S-40 Triumph air defense system is another major deal, showcasing India's continued reliance on Russia for its strategic defense needs, despite pressures from other global powers. This military bond is a testament to a relationship that values strategic autonomy and mutual security. But a strong friendship isn't just about defense. It's also about economic prosperity. And here, the trade story between India and Russia is getting more exciting by the day. Historically, the trade volume wasn't as high as you might expect, but things are changing and fast. In recent years, bilateral trade has seen an explosive surge. A big driver of this has been energy. India has significantly increased its imports of Russian crude oil, becoming one of its largest buyers. This has been a win-win. Russia found a stable market, and India secured its energy needs at competitive prices. But it's not just about oil. There's a growing trade in pharmaceuticals, agricultural products, and machinery. India exports items like medicines, tea, and seafood to Russia, while importing fertilizers, pearls, and precious stones. Both governments have set an ambitious target to significantly boost bilateral trade and investment. They're working on making business easier, exploring new payment mechanisms, and encouraging direct investment in each other's economies. The International North-South Transport Corridor, a massive multimodal network of ship, rail, and road routes, is a game-changer that promises to slash transit times and costs between India, Russia, and beyond. This economic corridor could redefine trade in the entire Eurasian region. The India-Russia relationship is quietly blossoming in the world of technology and innovation. Space exploration is a classic example. Do you remember Rakesh Sharma, the first Indian in space? He flew aboard a Soviet Soyuz spacecraft back in 1984. That legacy of cooperation continues today. Russia's Roscosmos and India's ISRO are collaborating on various fronts, including India's human spaceflight program, Gaganyaan. Russian expertise in life support systems and astronaut training is proving invaluable. Nuclear energy is another critical area. Russia is a key partner in the development of India's civil nuclear program. The Kudankulam nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu, built with Russian technical assistance, is the largest nuclear power station in India. It's a powerful symbol of how this partnership is helping India achieve its clean energy goals. This cooperation ensures energy security for millions of Indians and contributes to our fight against climate change. The collaboration is expanding into new futuristic domains as well. And that brings us to the most exciting frontier of all, artificial intelligence. Both India and Russia recognize that AI is the future, and they're eager to work together. India, with its massive IT talent pool and booming startup ecosystem, is an AI powerhouse in the making. Russia, with its strong foundations in mathematics, physics, and computer science, has a deep well of research talent. It's a perfect match. They are exploring collaborations in areas like smart cities, healthcare, transportation, and cybersecurity. Imagine AI-driven solutions that can predict traffic patterns in Mumbai, drawing on algorithms developed in Moscow, or AI-powered diagnostic tools in rural Indian clinics. This isn't just about economic benefit. It's about using technology to solve real-world problems and improve people's lives in both countries. Joint working groups are being set up, and academic exchanges are being encouraged to foster a vibrant ecosystem for AI innovation. This focus on future tech ensures that the India-Russia partnership will remain relevant and dynamic for decades to come. Of course, no relationship is without its challenges. The geopolitical landscape is constantly shifting. India has been strengthening its ties with other global powers. Navigating these complex dynamics requires delicate diplomacy and a clear focus on shared interests. There have been questions about whether these diverging alignments could strain the Indo-Russian bond. However, both nations have consistently emphasized their commitment to this special and privileged strategic partnership. They operate on a principle of mutual respect for each other's foreign policy choices. This maturity is the hallmark of their relationship. Having diverse partnerships is not a weakness, but a strength. The key is open communication and a continuous dialogue to manage any differences that may arise. So, what does the future hold for India and Russia? The focus is shifting from a primarily buyer-seller dynamic to one of co-creation and co-development. The Make in India initiative and Russia's own drive for technological sovereignty are creating new synergies. We're likely to see more joint ventures, not just in defense, but in civilian sectors like railways, shipbuilding, and advanced materials. Tourism is on the rise, and there's a renewed interest in each other's culture, cinema, and cuisine. Educational exchanges are bringing young minds from both countries together, laying the groundwork for future collaboration. Ultimately, the India-Russia relationship is a story of resilience and adaptation. It's a bond forged in the furnaces of industry, tested on the proving grounds of defense, and now being reimagined for the digital age. It's a partnership that has stood the test of time and proven that when two great nations come together based on trust and shared goals, the possibilities are limitless. It's a friendship that continues to be a cornerstone of stability and a force for good in an uncertain world. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey through one of the world's most enduring strategic partnerships. It's a fascinating story, and it's far from over. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. What other international relationships are you curious about? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and see you next time.